Okay guys, let's know about loops. What are loops? Loops allows us to use our code again and again. We have different type of loops. Let's start with for loop. If you want to use for loop, at the first you have to write for, after that you have to write parentheses. Inside the parentheses, the first step you have to declare a variable, let I equal to 1. Mean that this loop starts from 1. After that, you have to write condition. I less than 5. Mean that you have to count this before you reach to 5. After that, you have to write the increment. Mean that this I should increase every time by 1. After that, curly brackets. Inside the curly brackets, console.log. And let's display the I. Now let's see. I 1, 2, 3, 4. If I change this condition into 7, it counted till 6. If I change the condition, I less or equal to 7. Now let's see, it contains 7. Now let's know the while loop. In while loop, you have to declare your variable first. Let I equal to 1. After that, you have to write while. Inside the brackets, you have to write your condition. For example, I want to write I less than 8. And curly brackets, inside the curly brackets, you have to write console.log. Inside of this, you have to write I, and at the end, you have to write that this I should increase by 1. I plus plus. Now let's see. It's counted by 7. If I change this 8 into 5. Now let's see, it counted till 4. Now let's know about for of loop. The usage of for each, for n, used for array. Let me make an array. Let's fruits equal to the first element apple, the second element mango, the third element watermelon. And now let's work with for of loop. For for of loop, you have to write it for first. Parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you have to declare a variable. For example, let x. And after that, you have to write of. After that, you have to write your array name, fruits. And now console.log x. Now let's see. It counts apple, mango, watermelon. This for of loop.